What's up, guys? How's it going? Welcome back to another video. And if you're new to this channel, kindly smash on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime we upload a new video, you guys will be notified. So in this video, we're gonna walk you through this website, which is called Tasquitos. I don't know if I actually pronounced that very well, but this is a platform where you can offer your freelancing services, and it's literally a freelance marketplace where you can uh, offer your writing service, digital marketing service, as well as graphics design, video and animation, music and audio. And if you're also interested in looking for an expert to execute your project for you, you can definitely find an expert on this platform to complete your project for you, and you're going to be happy at the end of the day. But then looking at this website after taking my research on this, so I figured out that this website doesn't have enough traffic yet, probably from buyers as well as sellers on this platform, both people that will hire you as a freelancer and most especially freelancer that will also work on this platform. And checking on the trust pilot to see what review this website have already gotten so far, so I noticed that they haven't gotten enough review yet, and this is just a 3 review on the trust pilot. So I don't know if they have some other platform, which of course maybe they are getting enough review. But then checking on Tasquitos themselves, so I scroll down to the filter of the website, so I noticed that they have a trust pilot on their website, and then I guess this is the only legit website which of course people are dropping review about this particular platform. But then let's try to walk through the website itself and see how it works. Then we'll explore on different categories to see if people are literally making money on this website. So you can see higher content, right? Content creator to get more leads, and so on and so forth. And if you are interested in hiring someone on this platform, so you can just search exactly what you need. If you need a content writing service, you can just type in content writing, and it's gonna bring you different sellers who are offering content writing service on this website or on this platform. So let me scroll down, then you will see some existing sellers on this platform. So this is one. I'll write SEO blog writing 1000 words. This is blog. This is SEO blog article. This is ghost writing, and you see unlock all services. So you can join for free. Before I will be able to see all the services available, so I have to make sure I register on this platform before I can actually join and be able to see more sellers who I might be interested in hiring for it. So that is how it works. But then it's actually free to sign up and set up a profile on this website. And if you also check on how it works, we'll also look into that, and then check on the freelancers. So we'll see what they have in them. And this is kind of like a category page. So which is services. So let's try to check on that. All right. These are the sellers which they bring for us. I guess this is just a random services. So B2B content marketing strategy. Then you can see the price. This is way outrageous. I don't know how that sounds, but that is too much, I guess. So you'll be able to explore different categories on this particular section. If you scroll down, you see find expert freelancer on the website homepage, and you can also see new freelance services, which of course they just added on this platform. So if you also scroll down, you also see find expert freelancers, hire a talent who suits your needs. So you scroll down, you also see their feedback. So you can see there is no any review on their profile yet. This is from India, this is from United States, this is from United Kingdom, and this is from United States as well. So I guess people are just trying to set up a profile on different kind of platform where they can actually, or hopefully they will get a job on the platform. And there are a lot of freelancers out there who are trying to make more money on different kind of platform. Even though if the website is still new, they are trying to set up a profile on those websites so that they will be able to uh, made up in case the website is actually growing on a daily basis. And you can also see marketing and advertising. There is 21 listings, which is there is 21 gigs, let me say, and this is 19 gigs. This is 6 gigs so far, and this is 3 gigs, which means this website is not really that common or famous yet, but then it's keep on growing day by day if they keep on promoting the website as well. So based on the way I actually find this website, so if I'm a freelancer who is actually looking for a way to secure a project, I would like to also sign up on this website. And of course, if you are also looking for a way to make more money and you just want to put out your profile out there, you can also set up your profile on Tasquitos website. And this is how the website works. So you can see the step one is just to create your profile on this platform, and the second step is just to define your needs if you are interested in hiring someone. So you define what exactly you needed to be done, and then this third section, which is the step three, is choose a professional or choose a proposal or pick a service. So you can decide on what exactly you need. And these are the testimonies from Trust Pilot. You can see these are the testimonies so far. And if you also scroll down, you also see start as a freelancer and start as a client. So if you are a freelancer, all you just need to do is just to click on the join for free here. And if you are a client who is looking out to hire someone on this website, so you just click on the start as a client here. So either of the two, you can go for the one that best suits you. So if I would just want to start working on this website, so I would prefer to join as if and start as a freelancer, then it will direct me into this particular page. So you can see try for free for 365 days, which is 1 year. So basically, this website is not for free, but probably they just started and they are just looking up to uh give people the chance to work for free on this platform. So during your 365 days free trial period, you don't need to provide any credit card information. You explore task creators with no obligation. So all features you have access to all features. You will have access to all the features in Transcrito, and then during your 365 days trial period without having to pay a cent, you can hire a freelancer or start earning money on this website. So you can also cancel anytime. If you are already a subscriber, you can decide to cancel your subscription anytime. And how to use the Tasquito platform. So you complete your profile, just then search project or post services, then convince clients of yourself and proposal for your work. So this is how this platform works. So I'm trying to look out to where this website is originated, probably from which country exactly. But I've seen some picture to make me believe that this website is probably from India or Pakistan thereabout. But I really don't know, so I can't just judge. But let me check on the Trust Pilot to see where the website. Okay, Gary. Okay, this is where the website is coming from. So I'm not sure if that's a bad idea. So it does depend on if people are able to get what they need on this platform. So aside from that, I think everything is actually cool. And this is just the features for the free trial, and then for the pro one, which is the standard, you can see the two options. So with the standard, you are going to get all these features, and for the free versions, you are also going to get all this badge. So either of the two, I think it's all good. If you are looking out to put out your profile out there, so I think you can also set up your profile on this platform, and you can hope for the best to happen. So if you also have any other question, you can let us know through the comment section below. I'll try as much as possible to reply to your request. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one. Peace.